guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm very excited to share you how to do your own nails in as little as 30 to 45 minutes using this product called the Color Street Nails. So anyway, I was introduced by a friend fall of last year, and ever since then I fell in love, and I've been using these ever since. And a lot of people, I get a lot of compliment. A lot of people are asking me who did my nails. They are cute, they're super adorable, and when I tell them I did it, and they just can't believe it. But yeah, I've been doing my own nail in the last 6 months, and these are 100% real nail polish strips. And in the one envelope it comes with a 16 long lasting strips, and they are absolutely 100% nail polish. The good thing about this is that no drying time. They are instant dry, so no waiting for that. And they come with so many cute designs, different colors. They are cost effective. They were very inexpensive. You can get these as little as $11, and it can go up to, I believe, $23 depending on the style that you choose. So anyway, a friend of mine introduced me into this company last year in fall, and I fell in love with them, and I've been using them since then. I have not done my nails at the salon, and I've been doing my own manicure, and a lot of people are constantly commenting, and they thought that I got my nails done at the salon even though I did it myself. And like I said, these take so little time, and sometimes I can be a passenger in the car. And at one point, we were on our way to our Christmas party, and I did not have the chance to do my nails. And so I said, maybe I can do this in the car. And I did. And it was a 30-minute drive. And trust me, I did it in as little as 30 minutes. So anyway, if you guys have not heard of this company, check them out. I believe you can find some sales representative out there, and help them out because they are small businesses, and they would really appreciate it. I have a friend who actually is selling this, and so I can include her information and just link it down below. And so we're going to open it. Oh, and by the way, I am on my loungewear because I am staying home, and I'm in my PJs with the coffee shirt. I love this shirt. So anyway, so inside the envelope, it comes with basically 2 strips of this. So it comes with 16 total, 16 nail strips, and it comes with a nail preps. So basically, this is what you use to clean the surface of your nails before you apply it. And it comes with a nail file. So to be honest with you, I actually don't use this. I like to use my own. I don't know, I just like to use my own, but this works too. This works great, but I'm just saying I prefer to use my own. So if you have your own nail file, you can use that too. So anyway, so I'm gonna put it back. So that's it. That's all you need, really. But just FYI, I highly recommend you guys to use a small scissor. And the reason why I am going to use a small scissor is because what I'm going to do is I'm going to save half of the strip. Well, there's 16 strips. I'm only going to be using the 8 strips today. And you will see why, because I have such short nails. I work in the hospital, and I am not allowed to have long nails. Just gonna cut in half, and then I'll just recycle it. So that's what I'm going to do. And here's my own nail file and little pick that I purchased years ago, and I actually use this to clean my own nails. But anyway, this helps with the strip and contouring the edges, just to make sure that I get that smooth, nice cut or line around my cuticles. So anyways, I want to use something like this, a small scissor, a nail file, in your kit. So let's get started. I already buffed my nails, and I already cut it. file them and make sure that no sharp or no uneven edges or anything that, you know, like loose hangnail or anything like that. So make sure that your nails are ready to go and they're clean. And that's when you can actually use the wipes that comes with this. So, yep. So I'm going to use the nail prep pads. And what you're going to do is you're just going to clean your nails, surface of your nails with this one. Actually, it smells like, it's not bad, but it does have a little bit of that alcohol smell to it. Okay. Done. So I'm just gonna air dry it. So I'm going to toss this because I'm not gonna be using this one. Okay, so step 2 is I'm going to cut this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut it as close to the edge because I'm going to seal it back once I'm done. So there are 2 strips. So there's 16 inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm only going to use one and I'm going to save the other half. So there's, if you open it, there are 3 little strips. So there is actually a clear one that has a little purple tab. I don't know if you can see it. In the middle, which is the actual strip. And it's very thin. And it's very thin. And the third layer is a little bit of a thicker base of just basically like a white paper. Okay. So what I do is I remove the very top completely. It's because these are really hard to remove once you cut the nail in half. So I would take this immediately, completely. And what I do is I would pull the middle, not completely out, just past halfway. And there's a dotted line in there. And so basically you just pull it slowly and it's sort of like pre-shaped. Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do is that, so these, they stick. So you could just, basically what I do is I stick it on top of the envelope. So they're not all over the place. Since I actually have a carpet here. So what you want to do is I want to cut it or split it in half. Okay. Now, of course, it's taking me a little bit longer, but now it's cut. But you can actually cut it with the scissor, but this just happened to just split right in the middle. So there you go. So now I have 2 strips. So like I said, I'm going to start with my pinky nail. So what I would do is that the wider part of the strip will basically go at the top. And when you stick it, make sure that it's really close to your cuticle. So I'm going to do this really quick and I'm going to move it close to the camera. It's for you guys to see. There you go. So what I'm doing is I'm just basically pressing it completely. Just press, just a big press. And here's the second one, and I'm doing the same thing on the second one. The wider side will go at the very top as close to the cuticle. Okay, and I'm doing the same thing, just press it. So now your next step will grab your nail file and you're just going to follow the edges of your nails at the very bottom and just file it. And be careful when you're filing it because you don't really need to be really hard on this because they will rip pretty easy. Not that easy, but basically you don't need like super forceful on doing that. So I'm going to be doing the same thing on this nail. So there you go. Trust me, you will get so much better with this over time. The more you do this, it gets so much guess it's a lot easier and it's faster. So I did the edge. That's done, and I'm just gonna keep pressing. So if you look at it, my god, so if you look at it, there's some extra there. So that's when I will use this guy right here. So I'm just going to make a little contour. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is gonna be a little bit hard because so anyway, just gonna pull it. So there's a little piece that I don't really need. Oh my god, these are actually really cute. Ta-da! Done. So one done. So if you wonder how I did this in the car, trust me, I just did it in my lap. And it was a little hard at first, but I got better at it. And it really only took me just a few minutes to do this. 30 minutes. Okay. And done. Oh, and by the way, you don't need any top coat for this. That's all you need. This is it right here. So sometimes I tend to just keep, I don't know, I like to just keep pressing on it just to make sure it sticks into my nail. Okay, so done. Ta-da! Ta-da! Done. Okay, so moving on to the next one. So same thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the smallest one, and I'm going to look at my nail, and I think this is going to work. Yeah, I don't need to do anything again. Same simple step. I always remove the very top part, which is the clear plastic. And second one, this is a very thin strips right in the middle. So what I do, pull it just halfway and just be gentle on this part. Ta-da! And I'm going to cut it in half because, like I said, I'm recycling because I don't really need the whole thing. I can do just half, and I have the other half. Set that thing down. So I'm looking at the shape of my nail, and I can actually use the smooth, like the curve one already. So that's great. I love it when I can just go straight like that, just because I don't need to do the contouring. See how easy that is? Just press. Yeah, it's perfect on my cuticle. It's ready. It's perfect. It's made for it. So anyway, just keep pressing and file. And I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Give me some ideas on what to film again, or like what you guys want to hear or you want to see from me. So anyway, I hope you guys are staying safe and constantly washing your hands and enjoying your time with your family. Bye.